Hey guys, I've got a heater core out of a 61 Cadillac that's seen better days. As you can see, it's swollen through here, a lot of water holes through here. This heat control unit also leaks fairly badly, so what I'm going to do is replace it with this electronic heater, and we're going to put this heater inside the old heater unit, and I'll take you through how I went about it. I began by cutting out the partitions. I then ground off much of the remaining pieces. So with the partitions removed from inside here, I can take my heater and I could put it inside there. And so now I'll give this a clean up inside here and seal it off. I tried a few proven techniques and found the wire wheel worked best, finishing off with the flat disc. Almost 60 years of surface rust from moisture was in there. So we've cleaned out all the surface rust in here using wire brushes and grinding discs and so forth, flap discs that you saw. We've given it a spray with a rust protectant, the cold gel rust protectant, and now what I'm going to do is cut these sheets up and lay this sound deadener inside, which will also help the heat stay inside, and that should adhere to that nicely. Okay, so we've got our sound deadener in here now, so that'll quieten down the fan that will now be on the back of the motor rather than in the engine compartment. So it's just a matter of working out how to fit this all inside here, and we'll work that out. I drilled a pilot hole first before drilling to the size of the mounting bolt on the side of the heater that came with it. I then drilled the hole for the wires to go through the grommet. I secured the heater with an L bracket on the front as well. Then it was time to give everything a test fit. Okay, so I've got the electric heater mounted inside the heater box. I've also ran the wires out through the top here, and I'll get my electrician to wire that in. If you found some useful information out of this episode, hit the subscribe button, stay tuned, and I'll show you how I took a lens in this condition and turned it into this condition.